I'ma drop this 14. See if I could pull me by 7 grams off this hoe.
He gon' stand like comma. Poppin' no puff, my blower spray.
I'm standing over the stove and with this to my wrist lock. I'm in New York with toes, fuck it, I call them TikTok. I do my shit, that's on my Z, I'ma make my blip pop. Hop out with sticks and golden bean, I call it hip hop. These hoes ain't shit, they for the streets, they love the dick hop.
She suck that dick so long, I make that little hoe look lock. I'm with her IG model, Zula making TikTok. I'm with Lil Wiz and while you playing, you get bit off.
I'm coming off the hill with 3 like I'm Chris Paul. I'm trying to sell a song.
What is good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok. I'm pretty active on TikTok and Instagram, so please follow me on there. Now, if you read the title, I already know what y'all are thinking. Just relax, hear me out. I know y'all are wondering, like, why would you put bumper guards on your RT? I have bumper guards already. And I know you're supposed to take them off, but like I said, hear me out. At first, I was gonna buy a real splitter and get it wrapped pink, but this the thing. I'm not good at like visualizing stuff in my head. I gotta see it in person, so I'm like, okay, they already got pink bumper guards. So let me just put those on my car so I can see what the pink will look like. Cause in my opinion, too much pink on a car looks kind of tacky to me. So I just want to see what it will look like first. And if I like it, then I'll get the real splitter and I'll get it wrapped pink. So I just want to see what the pink will look like in the front of my car first before I invest my money in a whole splitter and getting it wrapped, all that stuff. So if I fuck with the look, with the bumper guards, with the pink in the front, then I'll get the full splitter. So don't do too much, please. Okay. So these are the ones I got. I think it's gonna be cute. I got these off Amazon also. And I watched like 2 videos of how to install these. I feel like it's gonna be easy. So let's get it. First, I'm gonna remove the black ones because I do have some already, but they're black. I have to take those off and then replace it with the pink one. And I'm gonna use this. I don't know what this is, but I'm kind of scared because like it's kind of sharp. I don't want to like scratch anything. We gonna see though.
They say that life's about balance, baby, and the balance is in my account now. Okay, she got a perkin' and perk. I got a twerking and turk. She probably let both of us hit. The way that she smirking in dirt. She getting cake on the picture she take. I say, girl, if it worked, it didn't work. Fuck a wedding dress, I'm trying to murder this. Hey, you went fine pictures first. Hey, you went dry around the world. Hey, you went brown like a squirrel. Hey, you went Chanel pearls. Hey, you went Rolls Royce car. Hey, you went Rolls Royce truck. Oh, you on wall with all my hoes.
That's crazy. It literally took like 2 seconds to take off. It's really dirty though. Okay, I'm about to take off the other one on this side. And the people in the other videos said to keep these so that you could install the new ones. So I'm about to put these to the side. Actually, I think I might show y'all what I'm really doing. Maybe y'all can see. Oh, it's kind of dark. Okay. This is so scratched up. Oh, there it goes. This, where is it? This piece right here is what I have to take out. So we're gonna do that. Look how scratched up this shit is.
He run down and let that stick off. Got a switch all on the Glock. This bitch right here gon' make you crisscross. I scrape the bowl and flip them grams. I call that flip flop. I'm with Kodak. We ain't taking no photos.
Okay, I got it. That one took way longer than the other one. Oh my god. I got one more because it's two unusual. I gotta do this one. Whew, I am fucking sweating. But I got both of them off. So this is what it looks like now without any guards on it. It looks kind of cute like that, to be honest. Now I gotta put the pink ones on.
All this money, but I'm still local. I stick deep down her throat, but you gon' be a bitch and choke. Made a way in with my brothers just like Sean and Marlon. I got zombies, I got Vikings, I be Brett Farley. Beat that pussy front and back and leave that pussy farting. And he know. Hey, you went flying baby spur. Hey, you went drive around the world. Hey, you went brown like a squirrel. Hey, you went shaking down pearls. Hey, you went Rolls Royce cup. Hey, you went Rolls Royce truck. Oh, you want water all my.
That literally took like 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. If I'm being honest, I don't know how I feel about it. Might take some getting used to. I don't know yet. What y'all think? I don't know. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I don't know how I feel about the pink, to be honest. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know why my video cut off. I think I had like low storage or whatever. But please let me know how y'all feel about the pink bumper guards, because me personally, I don't know if I like them for real. I might just have to get just an all black splitter, keep it simple, keep it cute. I don't know how I feel about the pink guards. Please let me know in the comments what y'all think, because I don't know if I like it or not. Please let me know if I should get a full pink bumper. Please let me know if I should get a full pink splitter or just get a plain black one. Please let me know, because I'm kind of on the fence about all this pink stuff. I don't know yet. The next video, I'm gonna be tinting my tail lights. I do have the tint already. I was supposed to do it today. I'll probably do it tomorrow. So that'll be the next video y'all get. Me tinting my tail lights. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all think. Please let me know if I should get an all pink splitter or just get a black one, because this shit stressed me out. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe to my TikTok, and subscribe to my Instagram. The links will be down below. Bye, y'all.